wondered about the words likely and probably? If you're not sure how to use them, this video is perfect for you. In this online lesson, we'll learn the differences between likely, unlikely, and probably. Ready? Let's start. If something is likely, it will probably happen or is expected. It is more affirmative or nearness in possibility. It may refer to past events with known outcomes. Likely is normally used as an adjective, however, it may be used as an adverb as well. Let's have a look at some examples. He is likely to come at noon. I am likely to go on holiday in summer. My boss is likely to let me work remotely. Emma's likely to react very emotionally. Do remind him, because they are likely to forget. She's likely to win the competition. The study showed that 1 in 3 children is likely to develop drug addiction. The car is likely to break down soon. Now let's see how we use unlikely. Unlikely is used to describe something that has a low chance of happening or is not expected to occur based on current circumstances. It indicates a situation or event that is not probable. For example, it's pretty unlikely she will answer my message. It's been more than a day since I sent it. It's unlikely I will ever learn more than 1 foreign language. This is because I don't have a flair for languages. The weather seems unlikely to change over the next few days. Probably indicates more doubt or less certainty. It refers to the occurrence of future events. We use probably as an adverb. Let's take a look at some examples. Probably he will come at noon. There is more element of doubt. I'll probably be home on Sunday. She probably didn't even see that I borrowed her jeans. It's probably the best dish I've ever had. Is he lying? Probably. Are you going to study in the USA? Probably not, no. Can you make a pizza? Yes, probably. Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises on likely, probably, and unlikely. Practice what you've learned and have some fun. Take care and see you next time.